I'm Fiona and I have been working in the Kitchen Garden program for a number of years. I'm an avid cook. Some of you might remember me from MasterChef. And working with kids every day in the kitchen can get very messy. One of the things I really love, the Ocea Clean products. They get delivered to my door and they come in a pack of 3. We've got a cleaning spray for the bench tops, a soap pump and a bathroom cleaner. They're eco-friendly and really convenient. Fill them up with water, simply put a tablet in and you can reuse them. The packaging itself is biodegradable, so you can pop it in your veggie bin or your compost when you're finished. They're really cost effective because you get 4 in a box and you've always got a refill on hand. And it's nice to know I can use a chemical-free product that's safe to use around kids.